Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps, games and programs from your HUAWEI MateBook E with Windows 11. So to do this, first let's click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, find Uninstall, Add or Remove Programs, and right here you can select each of the program or app or game to be uninstalled. So let's find this, I guess. Click on these three arrows, dots, and click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again. The program should be uninstalled, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.